Yes guys, so new arrival. I already unboxed it already this time. Mic mod for the GoPro 9, 10 and 11, 12. Just come. Yeah man, just pull it out of the box. Waterproof GoPro. The GoPro 12 and 11, 10, 9. So the waterproof case feet. Just come. 2 GoPro batteries, new charging port and charging cable. Just come. Yeah man guys, so take the thing serious, and me also buy a GoPro 9 that is not working, but me I go use a next GoPro and try for fix. You understand? So you can see this in a good pristine condition. Yeah man, so me I go ahead and try for repair it. You know. Alright? Yeah man, so we have all the things on the table. Get started. Yeah man. So as I said, we get some new arrival, and the person who come down the thing them also give me a share, brand new. Yeah man, so it come with everything in it, and I'm so thankful because beard and thing I grew up so fast. So me have this now, me can do my own little clip up. That is good. So now I'm gonna get started on getting the GoPro 9. I'm gonna pull it. We have a next one. I'm gonna try use the parts. And the board in this good, but some parts in it are malfunction. So I'll go ahead and get that done now. Alright? Yeah man, so watch me doing that. Yeah, and I'm now recording on a GoPro 7. Not the best in class, but you know, yeah man, so hope I see everything good. Everything, so suppose you can, yeah man, that's supposed to be it. More, yeah man, so I'm show you the process pulling the GoPro. So normally I use a razor, and within the groove, you know, it's not gonna be waterproof anymore, so your risk doing that. Yeah man, but me have waterproof glue, you know guys. This is the glue way you put on the phone screen and the phone back. This is a T7000. Apparently why me have to tape it up, rat them bite it. I don't know how. Maybe me that eat and man have grease on it or something, but them bite it and majority it does spray right out. So this is how it look now. So guys, I'll go ahead and cut this apart and start the process. Yeah, man, but you have to have patience, you know guys. You can't rush it, and you have to mind you cut yourself at the same time. So you have to like get it in between the little groove in between the screen. This is how it pull. So catch me doing that. Alright guys. Yeah, man. Some people use hacks or all of them something, but it's very simple, you know guys. Because once you cut the seal, you're basically good to go. Yeah man, so you just have to be patient and do it. Just take your own little time and go right around. So just as how you see me I do it, just take your own little time and, you know, cut it round and round. And have patience and mind you cut yourself. Do it at your own risk, guys. So I'm gonna continue to do this for a while. And when we reach close to finish, I check in back and show you how I go on. Alright guys? Yeah man. Yeah man guys, I'm almost throwing about feel some rain a drop. Maybe I have to change location. As me say, it take a little time. At point time you have to like price it, you know them way there. But you don't want damage nothing, so you have to just take time do it. But in most cases this is how we do it. Always work guys. Just take time cut along the side as I can see. Open here. Yeah man. Open. Just have a little edge. Have a little edge you have here. Well, I look like rain will catch me, so you know. If you go lift up from here, so. See the rain up on the hill, guys. Come. See, rain up on the hill come, guys. I almost open it up, you know. Put it down. Alright, guys, see it there? Finally open up, guys. Yeah, man. So when it open up, it have two ribbon there. Just flip them off. That's it. See? Open. So I'm going to shell it down on a different level, you know. So I'm going to clean up but the groove them to make the glue can sit on back and hold on the screen, you know, guys. Yeah, man. All of this, I forgot to pull on now and take out the board, yeah? And get in the next board. So I'm going to start the process now. Yeah, man, I watch your at the same time. If anything, I forgot to shoot off, you know? So I'm going to buy this online for $50, you know, guys. $50. Buy it for online. Use it as parts. scrap it down anymore. I'm gonna get a last test run before I take out the board. Alright, it's not showing no response, no sign, I don't think so. Shut it down now, guys. Guys, rain there. There I get comfortable, I pull on, you know me for the now. Shift up real quick and fast. So I'm gonna just deal with this on the inside, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna pack up and go in, catch you in the park. Yeah man guys, you know so I'm gonna pull it up through the rain and the whole place I kinda set away. Me never get the chance really record everything, but this is the one I buy. I take the board out of this one. You understand? Take the board, the main board, which is this. Take it out because this is not good enough. This is how we come in the one where you see I showed earlier. And now this one, the mic them did damage in this. You understand? But the board did alright. Yeah man. And thing. Yeah man, so eventually that one you come. So I just do a switch over, you know. Yeah man. The door camera give me the mic. The 12. I'm gonna take the mic thing them outside. Yeah man, so that one is newer and everything, but it did harder. And eventually the brother decided to come down and bring it down. So I never know how long it did that go take. So I'm just, you know, up and running. So everything up and running, you know. Thing good. So this are the old Era 9. And this is the one where it come today. And me switch over the board. I'm gonna put in one of the new battery that I get today as well in it. As you can see, my last kit it up because I just glue it back together. So I want it for seal. So I'm gonna press. You see it turn on, and everything up and running with it. everything good, working fine. All right, guys.